In this video, we will describe setting up admin fees. To get started, from rodeoproducer.com, we will click the Start link in the top right and then log into our Rodeo Producer demo account. Now, from the main menu, we will choose Settings, Set Admin Fees. In addition to charging event entry fees, which are set in your event settings, most organizations also charge additional fees to their members upon entry to a rodeo. These can be such charges as finals fees, arena fees, stock fees, office admin fees, and many more fee names. You have the freedom to name your fees to whatever you want. Admin fees are charged at the time of rodeo entry, but are not included in the prize purse. There are three ways an admin fee can be set up. Per event, such as this secretary fee. Per entrant, such as this arena fee. Or event specific, such as these fees here. A per event fee is going to be charged, this secretary fee, $4 for every event that is entered. A per entrant fee, the arena fee here for $5, is going to be charged per entrant for each rodeo they enter, regardless of the number of events that they enter. The event-specific fee is charged only if they enter that event. So now we're going to add a new fee. We'll click on Add a New Admin Fee. We're going to call this the finals fee, and it is going to be $10. And we can set this to be $10 as I've entered here, or if we click this box, it would be 10% of the entry fee. We'll just leave this as a $10 flat fee. This can be set to be charged per event or per entrant. In this case, because it's a finals fee, it would accumulate finals prize money for each event. So we'll leave this as a per event. We can set it to be a specific event. So if we wanted to only apply it to our rough stock events, we could set a finals fee for each rough stock event. We will let it apply to all, and we will talk about these other settings here in a moment. And because this is a finals fee, accumulating prize money for the finals, we would tell it to not charge at the finals rodeo. Then we will submit the fee, and now we see we have the finals fee that has been added to the list of admin fees. We can also edit a fee. So let's have a look at secretary fee. We click on the name. We can change the dollar amount. We can change it from a flat fee to a percentage. We can change this from event to entrant. We can make it a per specific event fee. Now one setting here, charge once only. So if your organization allows multiple entries in events, such as they could enter barrel racing 2 times per that event, but you only want the secretary fee applied to barrel racing once, then you would click this on. So now that we've made some changes here, and let's change this to a $3 fee. And we'll submit the changes, and here we see the secretary fee is now reflecting those changes. Admin fees can also be set specific to a rodeo. So here we have per rodeo admin fees, and in this case we have a March rodeo gate fee of $5. So we'll take a closer look at that. And so this, we can set which rodeos it applies. So these are all the rodeos scheduled currently for this organization, and we can name this what we want. We can again charge it as a fee amount or as a percentage of entry fees. We can set this to be per event or per entrant, and in fact we can set it to a specific event if we wish as well. As this is going to be a gate fee, we will leave it as is, and if we've made any changes, let's apply it to the April rodeo as well. We will submit the fee. And so now we can see that it's set for both the March and the April rodeo. There is one other type of admin fee that we do want to have a look at. It's not found here. It is found in Settings, System Settings, and then we will click the jump button to Results, and it is this right here, the admin fee percentage. So how this works is this setting affects the prize purse payout. Once the gross prize purse is determined for an event, which is the combination of entry fees plus added money, when payouts are calculated, this percentage, this 10%, is then deducted from the gross prize purse to arrive at the net purse, which will be paid out to winners. So let's say an event has 20 entrants at $50 entry fee. That's $1,000 in entry fees plus $1,000 in added money. That's a gross purse of $2,000. As an admin fee percentage of 10% of that $2,000, it would be $200. Thus, the net purse would be $1,800, and that is retained by the association. If your association does not charge this type of fee, we can set this to 0. If we are charging a admin fee percentage here, and you do not want that admin fee deducted from added money, we can click on this box and it will only deduct the 10% admin fee from the entry fees. So once we've made changes like this, we would scroll down to Save Settings. And as you can see, there are a large number of other settings within this area that we will be talking about in our some of our advanced features. And that is our chapter on setting admin fees.